Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In our previous videos, we explored arithmetic, relational and assignment operators. Today we will focus on three important types of operators: logical operators, bitwise operators, special operators. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use them in your programs and avoid the common mistakes. Before that, please like, share and subscribe to this video. Let's get started. Logical operators. Logical operators in Python is used to combine, compare or modify the Boolean expressions and returns a true or false results. In logical operators, we have only two conditions, true or false. It gives the result as true or false. Logical operators helps in decision making by checking multiple conditions at the same time. Logical operators in Python. Python has three logical operators: and, or, not. In AND operator returns the true if all conditions are true. In AND operators, if we give the two conditions, if both conditions are true, it will give the true conditions. If both conditions are false, it will give the false conditions. OR operators returns the true if any one condition is true. In two conditions, one condition is true and another condition is false, it gives the true condition. Not reverse the result of a condition. If the condition is true, it gives the false as the result. Let's see the logical operators condition table. Operators here and, or, not. These are the three operators and meaning both true, then condition is true. If one is true, then condition is true. If the condition is true, it gives the result as false. This is the table for the logical operators conditions. Let's see the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators definition. A bitwise operator in Python is used to perform operations directly on the binary bit level representation of integers. Binary bitwise operators performs on the binary level bitwise representations of integer. If if we give one value as 5, then it converts into the binary format and gives the results with the binary format only. Instead of working on whole numbers, bitwise operators works on individual bits. Bitwise operator only works on the individual bits like zeros and ones. We will see these examples in the Python ideal. Let's see the conditional tables for the bitwise operators. This is the condition table for the bitwise operators. Here, these are the operators in bitwise, and this is the AND operators. This is OR operator, XOR operator, NOT operator, left shifts and right shifts. These are performed only with the binary format only. Here are the examples: 6 and 3. The binary format of 6 and the binary format of the 3. Then perform the AND operation. We will get result as the 2. Or at least one bit is 1. If we give the number, the one bit is at least in the OR operation. Bits are different. In these bits are different. Inverts the bits. It inverts the bits. Left shift. It left shifts the bits and it right shift the bits. This is about the bitwise operators condition tables. Let's see the special operators. In Python, special operators are used to check the memberships. Memberships means presence of a value and check identity, same memory objects. Next, there are two types of special operators: membership operators and identity operators. Next, types of membership operators. In membership operators, there are two types: in, not in. For meaning of the in is value is present. For not in is value is not present. And then types of identity operators. In the identity operators also there are two types: is and is not. Here the meaning of the is same memory object. Is not is different memory object. These are the types of the special operators. Let's see this special operators and the logical operators and bitwise operators in the code form running in the Python ideal. Let's go. I already write the code. Let's explain this. I will explain this code only. Logical operators. For logical operators, if we take A equals to 10, B is equals to 5. A is greater than 5 and B is less than 10. Here we know that A is greater than 5 and B is less than 6. Then here we will get the answer as true. Next, A is less than 20, B is less than 10. Here both conditions are true. Then we will get the answer as true. Not A is greater than B. Here the condition is true, but in the not operator we will get as the false. Print a slash n. Here the slash n performs the line step by step. It gives the results in the step by step format. Next, bitwise operators. X equals to 5 and y equals to 3. Let's run this program. Let's see the answer. See here, we already told that 5 A is greater than 5 and B is less than 10, we get as true. A is greater than 20 or B is less than 10, we get true. Not A is greater than B. Here the answer is true, but it is the not operation, that's why it gives the false. Next, bitwise operators. In bitwise operators, we already discussed that x equals to 5, it will convert into the binary format. Y equals to 3, the value of the 3 is converted into the binary value. Next, x and y. Here x and y, these will perform the AND operation and answer is 1. These will perform the OR operation and the value result is 7. Here XOR operation will perform, then the answer is 6. Here NOT operation is performed, then we will get the minus 6. And here left shift is performed, then we will get 10 as the result. Here right shift is possible, then here we will get the result as true. This is about the bitwise operators. Let's see the special operators. For membership, here we take the variable as numbers. It is in the list format 1, 2, 3, 4. Print 2 in the numbers. Here we are seeing that 2 is present in this list. So it will give the answer as true. 5 not in the numbers. In this list, we does not see the 5. That's why it gives the true. Not is present. That's why it gives the true. Next, identity operators. A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to A. Here B equals to A means A values are converted into the B. A equals to A. B equals to A. Here A values are inserted into the B. Next, C equals to 1, 2, 3. Print A is B. True. A is B. True. Next, print A is C. A is C. True. Next, A is not C. Here false because A equals to C. Not C means here we will get the answer as false. That's it for today class. Thank you for listening this video and please subscribe this channel for more Python videos.